Good day. Service to our country and people is not just a duty, it is a journey. And along that journey, we are never alone. In the daily task, the long hours, and even in moments of danger or uncertainty, God is present and at work. Sometimes, we look for Him only in prayer or in church, but He is also there in every act of service, in every life protected, and in every good decisions made. Sa bawat tapat na paglilingkod, naroon ang Diyos na kumikilos. Continue this journey so that we must remain open to encountering God in our work. When we serve with integrity, compassion, and courage, our service becomes more than a profession. It becomes a mission. Even in fatigue or difficulty, God sustains us and gives meaning to what we do. Ang paglilingkod na may Diyos ay hindi lamang tungkulin, kundi bukasyon. May we always be aware of His presence, allowing Him to guide our actions, strengthen our hearts, and transform our service into a living witness of His love for the nation and for every person we are called to serve. Amen.